All right. Good morning. Happy Friday, people. Yeah, it's Friday. Hopefully today we can get some kind of trade going or something. We'll see what happens. We got about 2 minutes till the open. We were kind of range bound all night long from the close of yesterday, pretty much, to this. So just range bound all there. We're kind of starting at the top of the range based on this candle. We could get an engulfing long. I would be possibly interested in that just because it's not a huge range, 42 to 50. It's only 8 points. But yesterday, just kind of like given what we saw yesterday, these are all the zones that we drew at the beginning of the day. And let's see, it opened here, came up, bounced off 200, bounced down, broke through, went up, hit resistance, came down, bounced off, broke through, came down, bounced off. There's only one good trade that I saw in here today, and it was this one. It was an engulfing short. That was a hoagie setup. So the hoagie was right here, and there was another inside bar inside this bar, and there was an engulfing short that was off of this resistance. So that was the best setup of the day at what 11:20, way past whenever I go. But essentially, same situation today, kind of same resistance down here, same support down here, I'm sorry. So we'll see what happens. Could be a good day, could be not. We will see. We got green candles going right here, green smooth Heikin-Ashi candles. So kind of expecting a long, but like I said, we'll see what the charts do. I would really like a short, honestly. A short would be the best case scenario. So an engulfing short, so it breaks above and then comes down and breaks below this. I would really like that because that aligns with all of the levels. There's plenty of room down here, so we'll see what happens. All right. Cool. Like I said, would really like a short. It aligns with everything. Broke above, coming back down. I like that. I like this out a lot. Excuse me. Be a nice 40-point trade if it did. So it would come down to 92, which is right here. So it's literally like the perfect distance, perfect setup. Not perfect. I can't say anything is perfect, but it's a very nice setup. Alright, we are in. So we will see what happens. That felt really good. Excuse me. See if we can get one more push down towards that 200. I just kind of want to be careful because we had a bounce here, and that's like the bounce at the 200. Usually the NQ kind of moves in waves, so it's like that push and then push back down. There's some action happening here. Well, that's unfortunate. Well, lesson learned there, I guess. I mean, it was a good setup. Went down. I got what 32 to. I got 32 points of profit. So I guess I'm down like $1,200 or whatever. $1,200 in drawdown. Um, yeah, bounced right off of the 200. I should have saw that, like those two bounces. That should have clued me in that that was going to happen. But that's kind of unfortunate. And what's crazy is it probably turns around and goes lower now. Probably. But got stopped out, so that is the trade of the day. Dang, I should have saw that. That's okay. I guess looking at this, like I said, account balance is 51,304. So like end of day, like we only lost $500. But the tough part is uh, auto liquidate threshold value is 5,001. So we have what $1,300 in drawdown available. That's crazy. That's such a wild freaking candle. Mm. I need to get another screen too, because it's like this right here. Had I seen this, I would have closed right away. It's with the green Heikinashis. Um, they or the Heikin-Ashi Smooth, they turned green, and then you got this nice green candle right here. After they turn green, I'm going to get this one, but it's going right into the zone. This one has actually some room to go. I should have closed it on that. Yeah, I need another screen to put right here, right behind me, just to display trading view, because I would have closed that. It came down to what? It came down to right here, and I could have closed at least like $100 in profit, and then reverse trade and gone that way. Unfortunate. That's okay. Guess I know I'm getting a screen. So that's exciting. But alright, well, done for the day. Taking the I don't need to trade anymore. Usually that's when I blow up accounts, is whenever I lose and then go and do that. But yeah, like I said, kind of unfortunate. I knew I needed a screen behind me with the trading view on it. Also, probably should have saw that and got out down there. But other than that, should have done that. All good. Lesson learned. So hopefully Monday will be a better day. We can come in, get a nice good trade, um, get back into some profit zone, and get things moving forward. We'll see what happens.